So in this short lecture, I want to address something. Who was I thinking about when I designed the course? Well, I was specifically thinking about youngsters, people with no previous experience of martial arts, obviously, and women. I wanted to bring a system to those weaker people, quote unquote, and I mean weaker in the most respectful possible sense. But I wanted to bring a system that didn't rely on sheer strength to them. I wanted to design a system that didn't rely on power or age or fitness level. And what my teachers gave me through all the years of training I received since I was 4, so it's been a while, was the understanding that size doesn't mean anything, strength doesn't mean anything, power or speed or fitness level, they don't mean anything. If you have the will to overcome and the knowledge, you will overcome. So if you learn this system, and if you're a woman, if you're a young person, a small frame kind of person, it will work for you. I promise you that. You can rely on what I teach in this course to save your life or avoid being raped or mugged or anything of the sort. So welcome to you, my friend. I'm here to serve.